What up, Smart Rapper gang?
Gang!
I just want to make this video real quick. I had to make a video like this because today we're talking about how we hit 50,000 subscribers. 50,000 subscribers!
Holy
that is
shit!
So many subscribers. 50,000 people click that button. That's a lot of people. And I wanted to say thank you, number one. Okay, thank you so much for growing by like 10,000 subscribers.
What?
A month now, which is absolutely insane. You know what I'm saying?
For real.
So what I want to do here is also I want to mention the winner of the Samson CO1U microphone on the video I did a couple days ago. The guy who won it is going to be, his name is Pharon, P-H-A-R-O-N. And I want you to go ahead and shoot me an email when you see this, okay? So it's therapperguide@gmail.com, and I'll get that sent out to you, all right, bro? Now, what else was I talking about?
Gang!
What do I have to talk about? What was I gonna talk about? Hold on a second. I know there's something here. That's right. What's gonna happen is I'm going to start live streaming and answering your questions. Like 30 minutes a week, I'm gonna hop on a live stream. We can all hop on together. I'm gonna make it into a type of show where maybe you can get on there, you can freestyle, get seen in front of everybody. You're gonna be able to do a Q&A where you'll be able to ask any question you have off the top of your mind. I'll let you come on. You can even get on camera and ask the questions, and then maybe shout yourself out. But like, hey, my name is da-da-da from blah, blah, blah. Check out my Instagram. Rob, my question is whatever. And then you're gonna be able to get seen by other people, and then I'm even gonna take the best questions with the best answers, and I'll turn those into videos as well, so you can be a part of that. And everybody's gonna be able to do that. You're just gonna need to be on YouNow. But YouNow reached out to me, and they're like, hey, we love your Smart Rapper channel. Would you like to start streaming on here? And I can stream to YouTube and YouNow at the same time, right? So, but if you go to YouNow, you'll be able to log in and then comment and get inside of the stream with me and stuff like that, which is really cool. And they also are going to let me take over their Instagram story feed for a whole day, which is really cool. So that's awesome. But I'm gonna make a whole video on that. Don't really think about that right now. Just realize that that is gonna be coming on every Wednesday night or every Thursday night, and I'm gonna give you guys the update specifically. I'll call that video something that's related to that specifically, and then you guys will be able to get in on that. It's gonna be a great way to really get your music seen as well, because I could even damn near do a live version of Rap Tweaks. I just thought about that. That's a great thing to do. I could do a live version of Rap Tweaks on there. Wow, so you can start getting your music heard and critiqued, and you can ask questions, so we'll have like little segments in there. I love this. This is gonna be great. Lots of other stuff happening. I just appreciate y'all. Thank you so much for getting us to 50K. Man, we're going so fast. We're gonna be at 1 million here in the next year. At the rate we're growing, we've gained 25. Oh my God, so many just since the beginning of the year, and it's just now about to hit April. Insanity. Just want to say I really appreciate y'all. I couldn't do it without you, obviously. So just keep up the hustle. We got the live stream coming, the community's coming, the new How to Shoot a Music Video course is coming. You can do everything new music's coming. Collaborations with other big channels are coming for you guys to get seen and heard. Interviews with big rappers. Just, oh, there's just so much going on. Yeah. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you tell your friends to subscribe, because every new person that we get in here, that adds up, right? So hit the like button, hit that comment, and if you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Go ahead and check out these other videos. Actually, I think with the way my head's looking right here, check out these other videos.
Smart Rapper Gang!
Smart Rapper Gang, bitch.